We're here at the Accotink Wastewater Pump Station, and we're here to celebrate the groundbreaking of the new construction for the station.
All right, 1, 2, 3, no episodes!
We started this project a couple years back through design, bid, and construction, and it includes upgrading of capacity, which will help the residents convey wastewater from this region, from a large part of the region of Fairfax, and it sends it back to Nomancol. This building was built in 1977, and it's time. It's about 50 years old, and it's time for a renovation, just like any other building in the county or even a residential house as well. And so part of this project is to replace pumps and some piping and some wires, fix up the structure a little bit, and so on. So this pump station will pump out 45 MGD. So that's a lot of wastewater, and that takes wastewater from a substantial part of Fairfax County. Not just the local residents here, but mostly all residents of Fairfax County. So it benefits everybody from an environmental standpoint as well.
This is the first ever local government project labor agreement in the Commonwealth of Virginia. And the project labor agreement means that the workers who will be working on this project will be guaranteed fair wages, fair benefits.
And so this is not just a proud moment to say we did a project labor agreement, but to do one and to be able to show people the complexity and the amount of work that has to happen to transform something like this into the state-of-the-art facility.
So if you have any further questions, we have a website, a project website, and you can get the latest information about the project.